All right, guys, officially day number 2 for the Cobble Beach Concours de Elegance. And we are walking down from the travel lodge there, as you can see, to the Cars and Coffee. So this is Saturday, September 13th. We have the Cars and Coffee, the Concours de Lemon, and we have 2 seminars in the afternoon that we have tickets registered for, or space registered for. So we're gonna check out all of that today. We're running a little bit late. I was up this morning trying to get some content edited and upload it to Instagram and YouTube. I have a video for yesterday going up this afternoon. Was wanting that up this morning, but ran into some issues. But either way, we're about a 15-minute walk out. Once we get down there, I will bring you guys back in, show you the entire Cars and Coffee setup. I've seen some sneak peeks already. It looks like there's a ton of great cars down there. So very excited. If you see the Full Throttle team around, be sure to say hello, and we'll catch you guys in a little bit.
Yep.
Look at this big old boat. Oh my God, the old Mercury. And of course, we have the Bonneville next to that. Wow. And of course, one of my favorites here at the Cobble Beach Cars and Coffee is this Mercedes. 1971, I do believe it is. Let's go check. 1971. Yep, 250C. Owners owned it for over 20 years. Wow, look at that white interior. It's phenomenal. I think we have Chevelle SS maybe. Beautiful, beautiful vehicle as well. What do we got? 1973 Nova, my bad. Wow. Absolutely gorgeous. 1948 panel truck. I absolutely just love. Let me know down in the comments below what you guys think of these. Extremely clean. Love the double doors. Some cool pictures of the restoration process. Wow. And of course, Corvette Stingray. 1955 Chevy. Yeah.
Darren was the designer. He designed
All right, we're pretty well finished up here. It's getting late. We need to make it to the seminar, and we also haven't even had a chance to check out the Concours de Lemon. So we're gonna try to do a quick check over there to see what's up. And then of course, we're walking by these amazing cars. We'll see this one tomorrow. The old Datsun is really cool as well. Actually, that's...
Oh, you got it?
He did, but not this model. beautiful Bentley. We'll see that tomorrow. 1999 SC. We have the Jag. Oh, look at the old Porsche. Get a picture of that.
Only because every car has a person standing on it telling you the history of the car.
Wow. Hey guys, the quality of cars here is just phenomenal. Full Thunderbird.
Yeah, it was.
1931 Ford Model A. Oh, I love these. All right, change of plans. We can't make it down to the Concours de Lemon. It's just too far down. We're about 8-10 minutes walk. The issue is we're trying to get to the seminar 1 for 1 o'clock, and we're 22 now. So we get there, we'd have to walk back immediately. We won't have time to film or get any content. So a little disappointed on that. We just got down here a little bit too late. So we get to walk down 2nd Avenue East again, check out all cars on our way to the theater. So we'll regroup once we get to the theater. First seminar is some F1 history, Ferrari history, Enzo. Here's stuff you're not going to want to miss. This will probably be a second episode or a separate episode I'll have up of this seminar, so you can check that out. I'll leave a link down in the description below for that. Be sure to hit that like button, smash that subscribe button if you aren't currently subscribing to the channel, and be sure to stay tuned for all of the amazing content coming your way of the Cobble Beach Concours d'Elegance weekend.